Now let's take a little more in-depth look at stages of a project. We designed this software to allow us to track everything, every event that happened from initial sales contact to the delivery of the final wrap vehicle. So let's take a look at how we keep track of those using the concept of stages. We are in the account Doe Brothers Furniture as we have been for a while. Let's go over here to the projects, float the projects, and then go down and pick the F-150 that we've been discussing so far. As you'll remember, we left the project in the estimate stage. We said that the next stage, the current stage, was sales work order sheet completed, which is all the information that an estimator needs to create an estimate. And the next thing that needed to be done, the current project next step, was the estimate completed. Let's just go take a look at some of the different aspects of the process of tracking a project's progress. So of the stages that we have, we can see them listed up here, from being on hold, an estimate, in design, scheduling, production, installation, completed. If we look back, we can see that this is not on hold. It is currently in the estimate stage. We see that when we look down here in the progress band, where it says in the estimate, and as you remember, we left it at the sales work order is completed. So here again are all of the stages that can be picked as we go through the process. We go from estimate to being in design, scheduling, production, installation, and completed. Those are the major stages as we see them. Then when you get to each individual stage, there are steps that can be taken as we go through. In this case, in the estimate stage, we have now gone and talked with Jonas. Jonas has come back and said that the estimate stage is completed. So Jonas would come in and change the current project step to estimate completed, and he would also then select that the next is the estimate proposal is completed. Those are the ways that we keep track of the progress that we make as we go through this project. I come down now and save, and that project now is in the estimate completed stage. And now it is up to the salesman to go create the proposal from the estimate. We'll be discussing that next.